Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.2 question number 8. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. Let us solve this one. Here you see that price of the TV, price of a TV, price of the TV is equal to rupees 13,000. Rupees 13,000 equal to rupees 13,000. Now sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Sales tax is equal to 12%. Sales tax is equal to 12%. Therefore, sales tax will be 12%. 12% of rupees 13,000 Therefore, we are getting 12 by 100 into 13,000. We cut this 0, cutting this 0 and cutting this 0 and this 0. Then we are getting multiply 12 with 13, 12 with 13. Then we are getting 3 is 6, 3 is 3, 2 is 2, 1 is 1. It is 6, 3 to 5, 1, 1, 5, 6. Getting rupees 1, 5, 6 and this 0. That is 1560. That is 1560. Therefore, required amount will be required amount is equal to cost or price plus sales tax That means we are getting cost is rupees 13,000 plus sales tax is rupees 1560. We add both, that is 13,000. If we add this one, then we are getting that is rupees 13,000 plus rupees 1560. We add, then we are getting 0, 6, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 14,560. That is equal to rupees 14,560. The question is, find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. That means thus Vinod will have to pay. Thus Vinod will have to pay rupees 14,560. And that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.